Hello, welcome to the third video of Mastering AWS series. In this video, we are going to see how to create a hosted zone in AWS Route 53. Before going into the task, I will tell you what is Route 53. Route 53 is a service that allows us to manage DNS of multiple domains. We can create multiple hosted zones in Route 53 so that we will be able to manage the DNS of multiple domains. Without any delay, we can move to the task. I'm at my AWS console now. Select the Route 53. It's already there in the dashboard. And in the left panel, you can see hosted zones. I'm selecting that. Then create hosted zone. Then we are asked to give the domain name. My domain is, this is my domain, and the domain is currently in Hostinger. So I'm going to give this name there. Copying this, coming back to the Route 53, giving it here. In the description, I'm not going to give anything. Then this is a public hosted zone. I'm not going to give any tags. Create hosted zone. Okay, the hosted zone has been created. You can see that. Closing this for now. Now two records are automatically created, NS and SOA record. We need to copy this NS records. I'm copying all this. Okay, I have copied all the values of this NS record. Now we can go to the Hostinger dashboard. Okay, and then go to DNS or 9 servers. Here you can see the 9 servers. This is the 9 servers of Hostinger. We need to change this. I'm clicking on this, change 9 servers. Here we need to give the values of the 9 servers which we have copied from the AWS console. I'm going to paste each. We need to clear the dot at the end. That's not needed. Okay, fine. I'm saving this. It will take some time to propagate this change. We are changing the 9 server of this domain. If you change this 9 server to the AWS 9 servers, then the AWS will be able to manage the DNS of this domain. In the meantime, we can create an EC2 instance and install a web server in that just to test the Route 53. Go to EC2 instance. I'm at my EC2 dashboard. I'm going to create a new instance to install the web server. Click on launch instances. I'm giving a name. Okay, web server. Then I'm selecting Ubuntu as it is my favorite. Then the key pair, I'm selecting WordPress. In the security group, I'm allowing traffic from HTTP so that it will be able to allow traffic through the AT port. And then here I'm going to introduce you something new, which is called user data. You just consider it as a script. I'm going to give a small script here. apt update, then apt install Apache 2 system ctl start Apache 2. Let's click on launch instance. The instance has been created, but the status is still pending. We need to wait. Okay, I'm pausing the video for now. The instance is available now. Let's check. Copy the public IP and paste it on a browser. As you can see, we have installed the Apache 2 web server in the instance without even getting access to the server. It is using the user data. Okay, let's check the Route 53 now. We have given the 9 servers here. You have already seen that. And let's check the DNS. Just search for a DNS checker. Selecting the first option, then giving the domain name here. Yes. Okay. Selecting the DNS record. Okay, and the 9 servers has been reflected. You can see these are our 9 servers. Yes, it has been updated. Okay, now we can go back to the Route 53 console. Going to the hosted zone. Here it is. Now we are going to point this domain to the server which we have created already. This is the server which we have created, and we are going to point this domain to this server. For that, I'm going to create an A record. The domain is here. I have selected the A record. In this value, I'm going to paste the public IP of that instance. This is it. We can just confirm that. Okay, here it is. Routing policy is simple routing, and I'm creating the record. Let's wait. For the domain was successfully created. It will take some time to propagate the change. First, let's check the A record of the domain from the terminal. The A and the domain will give the A record. So here it is. As you can see, it is showing our instance IP 107.253. Here it is. Let's have a closer look. Okay, it's the same. Now let's try to access the domain from a browser. As you can see, the domain has been pointed to the IP. This giving the same output as the IP. Let's try to access the IP from the same browser. Yes. Okay. Once again, Route 53 is a service that can be used to manage DNS of domains. This is one of the uses of the service Route 53. There are many others. I'm just covering the basics only. So we are winding up the video here. Let's catch in the next video. Thank you.